Hi, I'm Kavita Ralhan, and in this video I will do the unboxing of Boat Rockers 255 Pro Plus, and these are basically wireless Bluetooth headsets and they come with amazing features. Number 1, they come with Boat signature sound. They support Bluetooth version 5.0 and IPX7 sweat and water resistant. That means if you're working out or some water gets splashed on it, the headsets don't get spoiled. And it also comes with fast charging. By fast charging I mean if you charge them for 10 minutes you actually get playback time of 10 hours. Isn't that great? By 10 minutes charging you get 10 hours of playback time. So let's get started and let's do the unboxing. What all is there in the box? Let's see. Before I just take out the Rockers 255 Pro Plus headsets, let me just show you what all is there on the box, written on the box. So first of all, the packaging is grey and purple in color, looks very smart. And the features mentioned on the box are Boat signature sound, as I told you, passive noise cancellation. A lot of time it happens, the headsets, when we wear them, we still can hear the sound of the traffic probably if we are walking on the road or other stuff that's going on outside. But passive noise cancellation means that once you wear these headsets, you'll actually get no sound of the stuff that's going around. You will only hear the music. Type-C interface for seamless charging. It connects two devices simultaneously. Again, double the power. Yeah, that means it's a great thing. 10mm dynamic drivers, which gives you amazing sound. Magnetic lock so that they stay in one place. They don't go here and there. And music playback up to 40 hours. Again, that's a very, very good thing. So let me just take these wireless headsets out. I'll just open the box. And these are blue in color, as you can see. And although they are wireless, there is the option of this wire also. And as I mentioned earlier, these are magnetic. That's why they get joined together. And this is how you wear them around the neck. So blue wireless headsets are these. And what all is there? A small pouch which contains, let me just take out the things. Extra earbuds also you get. Just in case you are not comfortable with this size, you can try these ones also. And in this box there is this packet. This is the charger with Type-C interface and USB cable. You can put this in your laptop or on your mobile charger. You can charge this. And there is this catalog, Boat catalog small. There is a 1-year warranty card that you get. And there is a pamphlet sort of a thing which showcases all the different Boat products that are available in the market. So instruction manual is there, warranty card is there, Boat catalog is there. This is the charger, Type-C interface, and this is the main wireless headsets which lets you enjoy the music. Because this is IPX7 water and sweat resistant, which means that even if sweat is coming on it or these get submerged in water, these headsets will not get harmed. Nothing will happen to them. IPX7 water and sweat resistant is a great thing. And what I really liked about them is that they support Bluetooth 5.0, so you can connect them with Android or iOS. Up to 40 hours of playback time is what you get. And you know what? In just 10 minutes of charging, you get 10 hours of playback. This is a very good thing. All the enough, I think, things that are required, like the instruction manual, warranty card, and that Boat catalog, actually helps you understand the product. Again, on the headsets, these are the buttons you can access. You can adjust the volume, and you can also change the channel. There is one channel button also. And these are also very comfortable. And as I told earlier, these are magnetic. So in a way, it's better because once you wear them around the neck, if they're not magnetic, it's bound to go here and there. But what happens, because they are magnetic, they are together. And the Boat branding is also there. I can easily access if I want to change the volume, if I want to change the channel. You can also listen to FM. So Bluetooth 5.0 connectivity is there. Good music playtime is there. The charger is there. Instruction manual is there. I think in this box everything is included fully. So this video is about the packaging of these Boat wireless Rockers 255 Pro Plus. I hope you liked the video, and for more videos, stay tuned in.